Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable the dark mode feature on the Facebook mobile application for iOS and Android devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right. Go underneath settings and privacy, so go ahead and select that, and then select the settings button. Go underneath preferences where it says dark mode, go ahead and select that. So if you want to turn on dark mode, just select the on option, and you can see dark mode has been enabled. If you want to disable dark mode, you just go back into dark mode here, and you can just select off, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.